How to change your site language in Wix. So in order to change your site language on Wix, first head over to your dashboard. Into this part, you can see in here this left sidebar, so scroll down from there until you can see the settings option. Head over and click onto the settings, and then from in there it should be able to reflect all of the settings accessible to your website. Scroll down until you reach the general. Here's general right here, and you can see our language and region. Click onto that. And then from in there, they should be able to show you in here this our site languages and regional formats. So in here, as you can see, our site is currently translated into multiple languages. This is because I have installed Wix Multilingual in the past. If you already have Wix Multilingual right here, you can change it into the actual app. Or if you don't have it yet, you can just do the drop down option and change the actual account language. Let's head over to our Wix Multilingual in order to change or translate it into different regions. So here's my other language that I have. I have currently English. I also have French. Now you can add the language or change it into that. Our original is right here, but if you want to make it French, you can click onto these three dots. You can delete this language or change it from there, or you can also add another language if you would want to as well. So that's how you change your site language in Wix. Hopefully help.